Once upon a time, in the lush and fertile land of India, a story of spices began. It was a tale of flavors, aromas, and the pursuit of riches that spanned continents. Centuries ago, the mysterious allure of the East beckoned traders from the West. They embarked on perilous journeys across deserts, through dense jungles, and over treacherous seas in search of the exotic spices that India had to offer. Cinnamon, with its sweet and woody scent, was one of the first treasures they discovered. It was believed to have medicinal properties and was highly sought after for its flavor-enhancing qualities. Pepper, the king of spices, was another coveted find. Its fiery heat added a punch to dishes and made it a symbol of luxury. Tales of its value led to the coining of the phrase, "worth its weight in gold." Cardamom, with its fragrant pods, captured the hearts of those who tasted it. Its use in both savory and sweet dishes made it a versatile spice that found its way into kitchens around the world. Ginger, known for its spicy kick and medicinal attributes, was highly prized. It not only flavored food but also soothed ailments and was used as a digestive aid. Nutmeg and cloves, cloaked in a cloak of mystery, were found on distant islands. These spices were believed to have magical properties and were used sparingly in both savory and sweet dishes. As these aromatic treasures made their way to Europe, they became the catalysts for exploration and trade. Entire empires were built, fortunes amassed, and battles waged over the control of spice routes. Spice traders were the celebrities of their time, and their stories were woven into the history of nations. Yet, as the world became smaller and more interconnected, the mystique surrounding these spices began to fade. They were no longer reserved for the elite but became staples in kitchens worldwide. Today, they are found in every spice rack, their stories hidden in plain sight. The story of spices is a tale of adventure, desire, and the power of flavors to bridge cultures and continents. It reminds us that the world's most precious treasures can often be found in the simplest of ingredients, waiting to be discovered and shared with the world.